Repair a tear in a vinyl jacket. For most people, finding a tear in their vinyl jacket is tantamount to throwing a fit. Repairs are expensive and at the same time, can be quite obvious on the jacket. If you are one of those people, then you may find a bit of hope in the article below. The step-by-step instructions will help you personally repair your beloved vinyl jacket in no time. All you need is a vinyl repair kit, an electric iron, some extra fabric of similar color as your jacket and a sharp pair of scissors. Getting your vinyl repair kit and then some. While a trip to a sewing supplies store is absolutely necessary to get your repair kit, it is also a must to let the staff know about your dilemma. This way, you can also get first-hand tips and tricks for them while you are buying the repair kit. Be ready to ask questions on how to execute the repair and if they have some last-minute tricks for you. Assessing the damage. Once you have all of your items secured, take a good look at your jacket and see if the damage is too big. If the damage is just a slit and the fabric still aligns when you try to put it together, then that's good. However, if there is a significant tearing and the fabric does not align, meaning there are gaps in the jacket, cut the damage into the smallest possible regular shape such as a rectangle or an oval so that when you do the patchwork, it won't be as jagged looking. Positioning the iron-on adhesive inside your jacket. The next step would be for you to get your iron-on adhesive patch made for vinyl fabrics. Place this inside your jacket where you need the parts of the jacket to stick together. For tiers that have the fabric lining up, this will support the two areas. For those who have jagged edges, this will serve as the flattening agent that will help you maintain your jacket's shape. This is a very easy task that will take no more than 5 to 7 minutes. As soon as you have the patch and the fabric lined up, iron it on the topmost layer in medium heat so that the glue in the patch will be activated. Applying the patch on tiers that have cut out pieces. For those who need to have patching up of fabric, cut up the replacement fabric to almost the exact shape of the hole. Make sure that the patch is slightly bigger than the hole. This is why it is important to have the closest possible fabric match to your vinyl jacket so that the patch will be as flawless and as unobtrusive as possible. Once you have the patch in place, position the iron-on patch under it and iron it on. If in case you do not have access for iron-on patches, fabric glue can also work, although you might see the joining pieces. But if the portion of the tier is not as commonly visible, then this should work just as fine.